Hey everybody, this is Scott from Woodcock's Beer Kits, and today I'm going to show you what's inside of one of our 2-gallon beer making ingredient kits. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is one of our 2-gallon ingredient kits. This particular kit is a West Coast IPA. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First, this sheet has not just step-by-step instructions, it also has an inventory of what should be in the kit and contact information in case you need to get a hold of us. Next, got a bag of bottle caps, enough for 2 gallons of beer. Then a package of carbonation drops, also for when you go to bottle. This is brewer's yeast. Next, I've got hops. This is a hoppy beer, so it's got quite a lot of hops. It has a package of Centennial and a package of Simcoe hops. Different types of beers will have different varieties of hops and different amounts of hops. Next, got a package of specialty grains along with a muslin bag to steep the grains in. Specialty grains add color, flavor, and body to beer. Now, not every one of our kits contains a specialty grain addition. There are a couple that don't require it. Finally, got a large bag of dry malt extract. Malt extract contains the fermentable sugars that yeast turns into alcohol. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please let me know below. Have a great day.